We be the dopest. Compensation making hits, I do it fluid. When liquid spits, I twist viper optics. Dopest. Compensation making hits.
So why you practice? Cause you can practice looking through
my stilo is on point like a dart, so don't start or you'll get rolled like I'm playing CeeLo or hung like some march straight at your heart. It's where I'm aiming at, and you're claiming that you're better than the veteran, but you're mistaken. Black, I'm taking back what you took. My style is exquisite. You're open like a book when I visit, so pay attention to who is it. It's the subliminal crook, leaving opponents dazed with amazement. And if you take a step and hit the pavement, but you can't see your business blurred. And if you try